Hold on, there we go. Now, were you filming me, or were you filming the target?
Both. Why?
Let's try to get them both in the same angle. People on YouTube always record the target, and it just makes for a really boring movie.
Who keeps turning the safety on every time they hand it to me?
I do.
Why?
Because you're kind of supposed to.
It's a freaking BB gun.
Sure is, but good practice for the real thing. Nice.
Oh, double whammy right there. There, single whammy. Why would you want to do that? Oh.
Nice.
Oh,
Two down.
Knocking them down.
Burn that one off before I hand it off and go fix it.
Go blow this shit up. Okay, the next source I have XD, I'm just gonna shoot it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Digital zoom on this thing is garbage.
Wow.
It's just garbage. Quality gets so bad.
Pixelated.
Very pixelated.
Turn up the resolution.
Can't be done. It only goes 640 by 480. Would you go to hell and die?
Frickin' bugs, eh?
Like, seriously, I'm vlogging here.
Right there, Shake Carl.
Oh.
Jake's off to the hot start again. Will he continue or will he flounder like last time? Flounder.
Flounder.
Oh, Jake.
Oh, that was terrible.
Big stinky fish, dude.
Oh, that might have been a hit.
No,
I'm not sure.
I reckon it wasn't.
See if I can hit anything this friggin' time.
Nope.
I saw that one veered off to the right.
I'm trying to stand still to record, and the stiller I stand, the more bugs land on me.
Oh, that was a hit, I thought.
It's that gigantic thing on your neck there. Knock that off.
0 for 3?
Come on, Chip, nail that sucker.
That was a hit.
Nice. 1 for 4.
Here you go, Tim.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, God.
Alright, T-Bone, the man. The target. What's gonna happen?
God, fucking bugs.
Fail.
Fail. Fucking popped out of there.
If I did miss, it would hit the wood like that. Ha ha ha.
Bakery freaking. What? You
Ping.
were fucking with me, weren't you? Stop it. Put that down. Is that bugging you? Yeah. Actually, kind of feels nice.
What's going on over here?
My brother's bugging me.
Le trois.
Le 3? He on fire.
I'm on fire.
2 on a row right now.
Tink.
Did that hit the can?
Sounded like it.
That's 2. I think I clipped the bottom.
It's a hit. That's a 3 fur. Get that last one. Nice.
The perfect 4 for 4!
4 for 4.